Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Paige. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my super cozy and giving you all those fall vibes. This is my nighttime routine. So typically I'm coming in from the gym. On this day I went and ran some errands once I was done with my workout. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all of the stuff that I picked up at Walmart. I've been so obsessed with Walmart here lately, even more so than before. And I'm just going to go ahead and put all of those goodies away. Now that I've put all of the groceries and the little knickknacks away, it's time to take out these cute little babies. They've been locked in their kennels, so I'm going to take them out, let them potty, let them get some exercise, stretch those legs. This is Rosie's domain. She loves being outside. Of course, you can always find Lady right there at Mama's feet. She absolutely loves being next to me and getting the extra cuddles while Cece's not looking. So after we've got a little workout in with the dogs, we're just going to go ahead and take them in and give them their supper. So they eat supper earlier than we do, and they're kind of on a schedule. If you guys are interested in seeing my routine for our dogs, then comment down below and definitely let me know. Eating their supper, I go to my office to get some work done. I do work throughout the day, but of course my work never ever ends. But before my husband gets home, I like to go ahead and sort of finish everything up because I definitely don't want to be working when he's there. When it's family time, I like to devote all my time to family time. So I'm just going to go ahead and wrap up some things, answer back to some emails, reply back to some of your comments, which are very hilarious, by the way. It's time to hit the showers, guys. I have been to the gym. I was a hot, sweaty mess, and thankfully I wasn't super hot and sweaty because I would have definitely taken a shower way before this point. But y'all, those leggings that I have on right there are everything. They're definitely my new favorite. I had them in a couple colors. I will definitely make sure to link them down below. They are the best. They even have the little pockets on the side for you to stick your cell phone, which is super convenient. But I love a hot shower. Let's be honest, what is more cozy than a fuzzy pair of slippers? I don't know anything other than a fuzzy blanket. That's right up there with these fuzzy slippers. This whole outfit is from Walmart. Like I said, obsessed with Walmart, but super cozy, super cheap. And the plaid is just giving me all the fall vibes. I get tons of questions about my skincare routine. If you guys would want to see an updated skincare routine, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know that you want to see that. I have some new products that I am obsessed with, and I can definitely see a huge difference in my skin in all the best ways. So if you want to see that, definitely let your girl know. But in the fall, I feel like I just need extra moisture, so I'm definitely in love with the combo that I've been using here lately because it's giving me that really moisturizing feeling to my skin without it being super heavy. So I feel like it's perfect. Now that I'm all fresh and clean, it's time to set the mood so that I can get our supper to going. So, of course, I gotta light all my candles. I love candles all year round, but there's something about lighting a candle in the fall and winter that just escalates the atmosphere in the best way, y'all. I don't know what it is, but I love burning candles more so in the fall and winter than I do in the spring and summer. So for tonight's supper, we are going to do something warm. I was thinking either soup or some kind of stew, but then I seen the dirty rice in the store and I just knew immediately I wanted some dirty rice. I do typically like to add some peppers and stuff. I didn't on this night. I just added some corn into the mix. But any fall night soups or stews or like rice little dishes like this are just so good. Gives you all the fall vibes. Just make sure inside's all warm and tingly. And this right here was so good. Super fast, super easy. We've eaten our supper. Of course, my husband Cody has decided that he wants something sweet, and I'm not against that at all. So I decided to pull these pumpkin sugar cookies out of the fridge. I knew I was saving these for a good reason. These are so good. I mean, they're just little sugar cookies. They're not nothing fancy, but they come out with them for all of the seasons. So that's just something really cute to have. We always have the reindeer ones at Christmas time too, but they're just really simple. They don't get much bigger than this. We don't bake them for the entire time either because they will get so hard. They're like little bricks if you overcook them, so you kind of have to undercook them and let them finish cooking out on the cookie sheet itself. So that's just a little tip if you've tried cooking these cookies, but these are just something that we like to have each season. It's just a nice little treat that we enjoy. This October, it has been my mission to make sure that I watch a Halloween movie every single night. On this night, we decided to watch Haunted Mansion. So far, we've watched Teen Witch, Halloween Town, Hocus Pocus, Double Toil and Trouble. It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. So if you want to leave your recommendations on what we should watch next, then make sure to leave your favorite Halloween movies down below in the comments. So of course, at this time, our cookies are all cool and ready to eat. These are super easy to eat in one sitting. I'm not going to show us eating all of the cookies, but definitely know that they were almost all eaten on this night. Once we finished our movie, it's time for us to go to bed. So we're just going to take all of these pillows off of the bed and tuck the dogs in. So you're going to notice that Lady gets tucked in twice. And that's because Lady didn't want Daddy to tuck her in that first time. She wanted Mama to tuck her in. Not saying she doesn't love her daddy, but we all know how crazy my girls are over me. So we were trying to be all cute for the camera and tuck the dogs in, but obviously Lady escaped and she wanted to partake in the mama time, the Mama Rosie time. She was super jealous. So after I tucked Rosie in, look how cute. Of course, then I went over and tucked Lady back in her bed. Not that it is super cool outside. I'm in the Carolinas and we're still struggling over here. It does not feel like fall, but I still suffer from drier skin this time of year. I do have eczema, so I really like to make sure that I'm keeping my skin nice and hydrated. This super thick, amazing smelling and amazing feeling lotion from Lush is a must-have this time of year. So I lather my arms and legs in this. It is so good. Like, it's so good. I will try to make sure I link it down below because if you guys have not smelled it, just go smell it. don't even worry about feeling it, because it just feels even better than it smells. And that is a huge thing for it to feel better than it smells, because it smells amazing. Also, my feet super dry this time of year. This lotion is specifically made for your feet, so I like to make sure I lather those up really well. And I put on these aloe vera socks. They're super comfy, and I just put those on my feet. And we go ahead and fix the bed. I'm sure somebody's going to ask, do we sleep with those pillows on the bed? Yes, we are short. It's fine. They stay back there. It's perfectly okay. But that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. Now we're just going to get in the bed, turn the lights off. I'm going to giggle and laugh at Cody because I just cannot share what we were saying in this clip, but I was dying laughing. But that's pretty much it. We go to sleep, and then we do it all over again. Really hope you guys enjoyed today's video and just got a little sneak peek into what we like to do on a normal fall night. Now, this doesn't happen all the time, but when we want to really live our best fall lives, this is normally what we do. So if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.